Ever wondered what it feels like to gaze at Jupiter's moons or dive deep into the rings of Saturn? With the right telescope, the cosmos is no longer out of reach. It is in your backyard. Celestron, a trusted name since 1960, offers telescopes for every level of explorer, from curious beginners to seasoned astronomers. In this guide, we highlight the 5 best Celestron telescopes designed to turn stargazing into a spectacular experience. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. Let's get started. Number 5. Celestron 22452 StarSense Explorer LT114AZ Telescope. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ is a modern telescope that bridges classic stargazing with smart technology. What makes this model unique is its integration with the StarSense Explorer app, which uses your smartphone to guide you across the night sky. With this app-based system, even beginners can easily locate planets, stars, and deep sky objects without prior knowledge of constellations or coordinates. This Newtonian reflector comes equipped with a 114mm primary mirror, which is enough to provide crisp, bright images of the Moon, Saturn's rings, and distant nebulae. The optical design ensures that the views are sharp and well-defined, especially when used in areas with limited light pollution. It includes 2 eyepieces and a Barlow lens for multiple magnification options, allowing for a customizable viewing experience. Number 4. Celestron NextStar 8 SE Computerized Telescope. The Celestron NextStar 8 SE stands out as a premium telescope designed for serious skywatchers who want advanced features and impressive performance in one package. With its 8-inch Schmidt-Cassegrain optical tube, it offers substantial light-gathering power that brings celestial details into stunning clarity. From intricate lunar craters to the swirling bands of Jupiter and distant galaxies, this telescope delivers views that are both sharp and immersive. Its fully automated go-to mount is one of its best assets. Powered by the NexStar Plus hand control, the system accesses a massive database of over 40,000 celestial objects and guides the telescope to them with pinpoint accuracy. Users can explore the night sky with minimal effort, which is perfect for those who prefer observing over manual tracking. Number 3. Celestron 31145 NexStar 130 SLT Computerized Reflector Telescope. The Celestron NexStar 130 SLT brings technology and power together to offer an impressive viewing experience for users who are ready to elevate their astronomy game. Unlike traditional manual telescopes, this computerized Newtonian reflector comes equipped with an extensive database of over 4,000 celestial objects. That means the telescope can automatically locate and track planets, stars, galaxies, and nebulae with remarkable accuracy. The 130mm aperture provides strong light-gathering capability, which allows users to enjoy sharp, detailed views of planets and the Moon, along with some deep sky targets under the right conditions. This makes it a solid choice for both beginners who want ease of use and more advanced users seeking enhanced observational detail. Portability is another advantage of the NexStar 130 SLT. Number 2. Celestron TravelScope 80 Portable Refractor Telescope. The Celestron TravelScope 80 is designed with portability and convenience in mind, making it a great option for travelers, hikers, or casual observers looking to explore the sky without the weight of a large setup. Despite its compact design, this 80mm refractor telescope provides solid performance and clear images for its class, allowing users to enjoy views of the Moon, planets, and brighter deep sky objects. What makes this telescope so user-friendly is its simple setup. With no tools required, it can be assembled and ready to use in just minutes, which is perfect for spontaneous stargazing on the go. The adjustable tripod, included backpack, and smartphone adapter make it even more appealing to those who want a grab-and-go astronomy solution. Number 1. Celestron 21049 PowerSeeker 127 EQ Reflector Telescope. The Celestron PowerSeeker 127 EQ is a reliable favorite among amateur astronomers, and it is easy to see why. This telescope strikes an ideal balance between price and performance, making it one of the most popular choices for beginners who are ready to take astronomy seriously. What makes it stand out is its large 127mm aperture, which provides powerful light-gathering ability. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.